तो हेलो फ्रेंड, आज हम इंडियन फेमस पर्सन निक नेम के ऊपर बहुत सारा एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे जो बहुत सारा स्कूल कॉलेज और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ द नेशन? ए जवाहरलाल नेहरू, बी महात्मा गांधी, सी सरदार पटेल, डी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी महात्मा गांधी। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हु इज कॉल्ड नेताजी? ए भगत सिंह, बी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सी लाला लाजपत राय, डी बाल गंगाधर तिलक। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। Number 3rd question, who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 4 question, who is called Lokmanya? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Chittaranjan Das, D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Correct answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Number 5 question, who is popularly known as Chacha Nehru? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 6 question, who is called the Nightingale of India? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Lata Mangeshkar, C. Kalpana Chawla, D. Savitribai Phule. Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Number 7 question, who is known as Baba Saheb? A. Jyotiba Phule, B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Mahadev Ranade. Correct answer is B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Number 8 question, who is called the Frontier Gandhi? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Number 9 question, who was known as देशबंधु? ए. लाला लाजपत राय, बी. सी आर दास, सी. बाल गंगाधर तिलक, डी. दादाभाई नौरोजी. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. चित्तरंजन दास. नंबर 10 क्वेश्चन, हु इज कॉल्ड द ग्रैंड ओल्ड मैन ऑफ इंडिया? ए. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, बी. दादाभाई नौरोजी, सी. आर एन टैगोर, डी. राजगोपालचारी. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. दादाभाई नौरोजी. नंबर 11 क्वेश्चन, हु इज नोन एज पंजाबी केसरी? ए. भगत सिंह, बी. लाला लाजपत राय, सी. उधम सिंह, डी. करतर सिंह. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. लाला लाजपत राय. नंबर 12 क्वेश्चन, हु इज कॉल्ड शेर ई आजम? ए. चंद्रशेखर आजाद, बी. भगत सिंह, सी. सुखदेव, डी. राजगुरु. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. भगत सिंह. नंबर 13 क्वेश्चन, हु इज नोन एज लोकनायक? ए. जयप्रकाश नारायण, बी. राम मोहन लोहिया, सी. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, डी. राजेंद्र प्रसाद. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. जयप्रकाश नारायण. नंबर 14 क्वेश्चन, हु इज नोन एज गुरुदेव? ए. बंकिम चंद्र, बी. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सी. स्वामी विवेकानंद, डी. अरविंद घोष. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. नंबर 15 क्वेश्चन, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन रेनेसांस? ए. स्वामी विवेकानंद, बी. राजा राममोहन राय, सी. ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर, डी. ज्योतिबा फुले. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. Raja Rammohan Roy. Number 16 question, who is known as the missile man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai, B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Homi Bhabha, D. C.V. Raman. Correct answer is B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 17 question, who is called the Iron Lady of India? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Sushma Swaraj, D. Pratibha Patil. Correct answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Number 18 question, who is known as the father of Indian space program? A. APJ Abdul Kalam, B. Vikram Sarabhai, C. Satish Dhawan, D. Rakesh Sharma. Correct answer is B. Vikram Sarabhai. Number 19 question, who is known as the father of Indian nuclear program? A. Homi J. Bhabha, B. C.V. Raman, C. Meghnad Saha, D. S. Chandrasekhar. Correct answer is A. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Number 20 question, who is called the flying Sikh? A. P.T. Usha, B. Milkha Singh, C. Neeraj Chopra, D. Anu Bobby Gorge. Correct answer is B. Milkha Singh. Number 20 question, who is known as the god of cricket? A. Virat Kohli, B. M.S. Dhoni, C. Sachin Tendulkar, D. Kapil Dev. Correct answer is C. Sachin Tendulkar. Number 22 question, who is called the Little Master? A. Sunil Gavaskar, B. Sachin Tendulkar, C. Rahul Dravid, D. Sourav Ganguly. Correct answer is A. Sunil Gavaskar. Number 23rd question. Who is known as the wall of Indian cricket? A. V.V. Laxman, B. Sourav Ganguly, C. Rahul Dravid, D. Anil Kumble. Correct answer is C. Rahul Dravid. Number 24 question. Who is known as Captain Cool? A. Kapil Dev, B. Virat Kohli, C. MS Dhoni, D. Rohit Sharma. Correct answer is C. MS Dhoni. Number 25 question. Who is called King Kohli? A. Rohit Sharma, B. Virendra Sehwag, C. Virat Kohli, D. Shikhar Dhawan. Correct answer is C. Virat Kohli. Number 26 question. Who is known as the Haryana Hurricane? A. Kapil Dev, B. Anil Kumble, C. Yuvraj Singh, D. Harbhajan Singh. Correct answer is A. Kapil Dev. Number 27 question. Who is known as the Nightingale of Indian cinema? A. Alka Yagnik, B. Lata Mangeshkar, C. Asha Bhosle, D. Kavita Krishnamurthy. Correct answer is B. Lata Mangeshkar. Number 28 question. Who is called the Big B is Bollywood? A. Shahrukh Khan, B. Amitabh Bachchan, C. Dharmendra, D. Rajesh Khanna. Correct answer is B. Amitabh Bachchan. Number 29 question. Who is known as the angry young man of Bollywood? A. Sunny Deol, B. Salman Khan, C. Amitabh Bachchan, D. Ajay Devgan. Correct answer is C. Amitabh Bachchan. Number 30 question. Who is called Thalaiva? A. Kamal Hassan, B. Rajnikant, C. Bijay, D. Ajit Kumar. Correct answer is B. Rajnikant. Correct answer. Number 31 question. Who is known as the superstar of South India? A. Mama Toi, B. Mohanlal, C. Rajnikant, D. Nagarjuna. Correct answer is C. Rajnikant. Number 32 question. Who is known as the people's president? A. Pranab Mukherjee, B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Ramnath Kovind. Correct answer is B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 33 question. Who is known as the poet prime minister? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C. Narendra Modi, D. Morarji Desai. Correct answer is B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Number 34 question. Who is known as the saint of the Gutters? A. Mother Teresa, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Annie Besant, D. Sri Savitribai Phule. Correct answer is A. Mother Teresa. Number 35 question. Who is called the first woman teacher of India? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Savitribai Phule, C. Annie Besant, D. Kamala Nehru. Correct answer is B. Savitribai Phule. Number 36 question. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 37 question. Who is called the business tycoon of India? A. Ratan Tata, B. Dhirubhai Ambani, C. Mukesh Ambani, D. Ajam Premji. Correct answer is B. Dhirubhai Ambani. Number 38 question. Who is known as the gentleman industrialist? A. Mukesh Ambani, B. Ratan Tata, C. Gautam Adani, D. Sunil Mittal. Correct answer is B. Ratan Tata. Number 39 question. Who is known as the first Indian in space? A. Kalpana Chawla, B. Sunita Williams, C. Rakesh Sharma, D. Vikram Sarabhai. Correct answer is C. Rakesh Sharma. Number 40 question. Who is known as the human computer of India? A. C.V. Raman, B. Ramanujan, C. Shakuntala Devi, D. Homi Bhabha. Correct answer is C. Shakuntala Devi. Number 41. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? A. Guru Datta, B. Raj Kapoor, C. Dada Saheb Phalke, D. Satyajit Ray. Correct answer is C. Dada Saheb Phalke. Number 42 question. Who is called the Masterio of Indian cinema? A. Syam Benegal, B. Mrinal Sen, C. Satyajit Ray, D. Rituk Ghatak. Correct answer is C. Satyajit Ray. C. Satyajit Ray. Number 43 question. Who is known as the Sihani Mysterio? A. Ravi Shankar, B. Zakir Hussain, C. Bismillah Khan, D. Ajam Ali Khan. Correct answer is C. Bismillah Khan. Number 44 question. Who is known as the first lady of Indian politics? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Annie Besant, D. Pratibha Patil. Correct answer is B. Sarojini Naidu. Number 45 question. Who is called the Pradhan Sevak? A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, B. Narendra Modi, C. Manmohan Singh, D. Rajiv Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Narendra Modi. Number 46 question. Who is known as the Metro Man of India? A. E. Sridharam, B. Ratan Tata, C. Nandan Nilekani, D. Sam Pitroda. Correct answer is A. E. Sridharan. Number 47 question. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? A. M. S. Swaminathan, B. Varghese Kurian, C. Subramanian, D. Norman Borlaug. Correct answer is A. M. S. Swaminathan. Number 48 question. Who is called the milkman of India? A. M. S. Swaminathan, B. Varghese Kurian, C. Dhirubhai Ambani, D. Ratan Tata. Correct answer is B. Varghese Kurian. Number 49 question. Who is known as the waterman of India? A. Medha Patkar, B. Rajendra Singh, C. Sundarlal Bhoguna, D. Anna Hazra. Correct answer is B. Rajendra Singh. Number 50 question. Who is known as the yoga guru of India? A. Baba Ramdev, B. Swami Vivekananda, C. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, D. Patanjali. Correct answer is A. Baba Ramdev. तो थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। आपका कोई भी टॉपिक के ऊपर MCQ क्वेश्चन के वीडियोस चाहिए, प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करिए, मैं वेरी क्विकली देने के लिए ट्राई करूँगा। तो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर।